to make matcha green tea. I made nerikiri confections earlier, and these desserts are often served in tea ceremony. So it's very nice if you have matcha green tea and nerikiri together. So let's make green tea. These are the tools you need. This is matcha tea powder. This is tea whisk. This is a teaspoon, and it's called chasen in Japanese. You need a tea bowl, and this big bowl, I use this to slow the water away. And you need hot water. This is about 90 degrees. First, take a matcha bowl and let's pour the hot water. This is to warm up your tea bowl, and also take your whisk and wet your whisk. You don't need the water anymore, so let's slow away. Let's take tea powder. You need about 3 grams of matcha tea. With this teaspoon, I need 1.5. Let's have 60 cc of water and pour into my bowl. Take a bamboo whisk, hold your whisk from up, this direction, and whisk your tea back and forth in W shape. Once you have forms, lift your whisk and whisk gently. Remove the big bubbles on your form and lift gently. And matcha is complete.